The KnitPro Professional Punch set that I have wanted to buy for a long time is now in my hands. Now let's open the box and examine it together. Yes, this is the details written on the box. Comes with a very stylish bag with all the needles inside, with booklet, handle and threading device. The tips are all here. It is made of rosewood, very stylish, very useful and ergonomic, and the other one is made of ebony. I like it very much. It has a very nice grip, and in the little pocket there are pins, the apparatus for the needles. You put the number 5 directly into it. I put the number 2 pin in. I loosen the screw and put the pin in that place. Then you choose the appropriate tip, put it in and fix it with the screw. You can also adjust the loop length in this way. When you tighten the screw, you fix it. It looks very elegant. You can change the stitch length again, like this, the threading apparatus, the end of which is also, you thread it through the handle and you can attach the rope. There is no difference. You can thread your needle. Very useful and very shiny handle. Yes, this is how you can start processing.